Welcome to Intangible Cultural Experience Workshop, Chongqing folding fan making. So in 9th of July, we organized another workshop to teach our expat friends and international travelers for making folding fan in Chongqing, China. We started with explaining the history and craftsmanship of folding fan in Chinese and English language. Then it's their time to make their own unique folding fan to embrace the summer. So in August, every Sunday afternoon, we will organize a cultural experience workshop. Welcome to join us if you are visiting or living in Chongqing, China. This is Paulo. I will see you in the next event.